All right, we got a 1940 Buick Special steering wheel here. As you can see, it came in with all these cracks in it. 65-year-old steering wheel is going to have some issues, but the customer has asked us to get this back to factory new for them, so we will gladly do that. We'll start it into our process by sandblasting and cleaning everything and getting it ready for the molding process. And in the end, it's going to look brand new. This 1940 Buick Special is all restored back to new and ready to ship out. As you saw from the before pictures and videos, this wheel was extremely cracked up and basically just pulverized on the plastic. So we have rebuilt it, resurfaced it, and refinished it to match factory original. We've also polished up that chrome on those spokes and on the back side of the hub, polished that chrome up. So once this is installed, this Buick is going to be looking like new again.